May nakita akong mga video mga kapatid na perpekto ito para sa mga tao or samahan or pamilya na yung pinaniniwalaan nilang mali, pinipilit nila. Bakit ko nasabing yung pinaniniwalaan nilang mali? Kasi dumating na sila sa punto na hindi na tama or mali yung kanilang basehan. Mabuti o hindi, nakakaperwisyo o hindi. Dumating sila sa punto na ang pinaniniwalaan nila ay kung ano yung ideolohiya o doktrina na nakatanim sa kanilang isip. At doon nila in-identify yung sarili nila. Kaya kapag yung doktrinang yun na challenge o napatunayang mali, ipaglalaban nila yun ng patayan. Ipaglalaban nila yun ng, tama ako. Hindi mo pwedeng i-challenge to. Ito ako eh. Ito yung pinaniniwalaan kahit na mali. Kasi hindi naman na tama o mali ang issue eh. Hindi na yun ang, basta wag mong i-challenge yung kung ano man doktrina. Siya pinaka makikita yung mga ganyang tao, yung mga NPA o yung mga aktivista o yung mga, alam na nilang mali ang ginagawa nila. Alam na nilang wala silang puro perwisyo ang ginagawa nila, propagandang mali. Pero tuloy pa rin sila. Bakit? Kasi pagkatao na nila yung kanilang ideolohiya. Wala na silang common sense, wala na silang konsepto ng fairness, fair play, justice, ala na. Narcissistic families, ganun din. Yung mga sindikato, kulto, ganun din. Panoorin ito.
When your identity is your ideology, congratulations, you've officially screwed yourself, because now it's not just an idea, now it's you. And when the idea gets challenged, you don't hear disagreement, you hear an attack. So what do? You build a bubble. A nice, soft, padded little bubble where everyone agrees with you, uses the same words, hates the same people, and claps at the exact right moments. And you will defend that bubble at all costs, even if it makes you sound incredibly stupid. Facts don't matter anymore. Logic's gone. Humor? Dead. Because admitting you're wrong would mean admitting you are wrong, and that's unacceptable. So you double down, louder, angrier, dumber. And that's how you end up defending nonsense like it's sacred scripture, not because it's true, but because without it, you'd have to actually develop a personality.
I like it, I don't need a reason.